can now stay connected with your vehicle 24/7 from the palm of your hand with the Toyota app. In this video, we'll be covering everything that Toyota has to offer, including the most recent updates for the 2023 and the 2024 models. Now this will be a long video, but don't worry, it's okay. We're going to explain everything to make it easy for you. So make sure that you go down to the description box below for the timestamp and the frequently asked questions.
With the Toyota app, you'll have ease of access to all your vehicle's information. Here's how you can access it.
By clicking the image of your vehicle, you can easily see your VIN number, access your Glovebox, subscriptions, find support for the vehicle connected services, and access your SiriusXM account. You can switch to dark mode for use at night, less distractions, or to help extend your phone's battery life. By selecting the icon at the top of the right corner, you can manage your notifications, access your account settings such as personal info, notification settings, add your Apple or Amazon Music on linked accounts, security settings, see your payment method, allow Drive Connect notifications, get help and add feedback, see your data privacy portal, and legal information.
To register your vehicle, you will want to start out by downloading the Toyota app now, available on App Store and Google Play. You will want to head over to your multimedia display and follow the instructions on both your phone and multimedia. Here's a quick example on how to register a vehicle. Once you are registered, you will be able to manage more than one vehicle within the app.
With the Toyota app, there is no need to miss out on any of Toyota's connected services. Once your vehicle is registered to the app, you will have access to your vehicle's capabilities. Be able to enroll and renew all connected services available for your vehicle. By clicking on the image of your vehicle and then selecting subscriptions, it will allow you to review your trial list and see all of your connected services subscriptions. You will also have the option to renew any subscription at any time. If you're involved in an accident, your vehicle is stolen, or the unexpected occurs and need roadside assistance, with Safety Connect, you will get assistance sent to you directly to your vehicle's GPS location. By engaging the emergency button in your vehicle, you will be contacted with a 24/7 response agent who can request dispatch of necessary emergency services to the location of your vehicle. If you find yourself in a vehicle theft situation, you can notify our response center so agents can assist authorities in locating your vehicle using GPS. Safety Connect will allow you to connect with 24/7 roadside assistance right through the Toyota app. Connected by AT&T, Wi-Fi Connect is your gateway to keeping up with the most important information while on the go. You can easily connect up to 5 devices at 4G LTE speeds. Available on selected 2022 models and up. With integrated streaming, you are allowed to connect your existing Apple Music or Amazon Music subscription through the onboard audio source feature. Get up-to-date information on your vehicle's health and data on everything from fuel level, mileage, maintenance alerts, and more with Service Connect. By selecting Health and Alerts on your Toyota app, you will have access to the following information: recalls, service campaigns, vehicle alerts, maintenance and vehicle status, smart key battery status, and quantity of engine oil. Receive maintenance alerts sent to both you and your preferred dealer. This convenient service allows your dealership to contact you when maintenance is required. You can now receive maintenance reminders through the Toyota app so you never miss a service on your vehicle. Access real-time traffic, 24/7 live agents, and new voice commands with Drive Connect designed to make your trip easier. With cloud navigation, you will have the latest map, live traffic, and routing information. When connection is limited, cloud navigation will use previous downloaded information to maintain coverage across the entire route. Get live directions to restaurants, hotels, and much more with Destination Assist. Route information will be sent to your vehicle so you can focus on the road. When pressing the talk button in the vehicle, it will be able to recognize commands on what to do next, such as send messages, navigate routes, find contacts, and much more. With Remote Connect, you can prepare for your drive, know your vehicle's whereabouts, secure your vehicle from afar. Here is everything the Remote Connect has to offer. Please note that not every vehicle has the same functions. Refer to the Toyota's website or a Toyota sales rep to see what is available for your vehicle. With guest driver alerts, the primary driver is notified via notifications if something has changed from the primary driver's presettings. Reminder notifications give drivers peace of mind by sending alerts that can help protect the vehicle. Sending notifications when doors are unlocked, trunk is open, windows are left open, sunroof is open, and rear seat reminder. There are several commands drivers can use to quickly access vehicles' functionalities, such as vehicle start and stop, lock and unlock doors, turn on hazard lights, turn on headlights, horn alert, buzzer. With Remote Climate, drivers have the convenience of remotely activating climate control functions, such as temperature setting, seat heating and ventilation, defroster, and remote climate timer setting. With remote charging, EV drivers can access functionalities that can help simplify the process of charging an EV, such as charging info, charging history, scheduling charging, statistics, registering for charging partners, Toyota Wallet, and finding a charging station. Digital Key allows drivers and guests to use a smartphone as a key fob. You're able to share your digital key with up to 7 people.
With Drive Pulse, you can have the status of driving performance with every trip. Here's how to access that information.
By going to the bottom of your app, you will want to click where it says Drive, Pulse, and Trips. You will then be able to see your recent trips, acceleration behavior, braking behavior, and cornering behavior. Apart from that information, an overall score based on all past trips is calculated to have a better representation of your driving behavior. Do not worry, Toyota does not share your drive with any third party without your consent.
With the digital key and my Toyota app, I can lock, unlock my vehicle and start it from my phone, just like if I had my key fob. The wonders of digital key.
Scheduling your service appointment has never been easier. Now you can schedule your service appointment through the Toyota app, and here's how. Start by selecting Service Appointments. Click and make an appointment. Enter your current mileage and make sure you are scheduling at the dealership of your choice. You can then see all recommended services. If the service you need is not on there, you can select all services and enter a custom service. Once service is selected, you can choose the service advisor of your choice. You will be directed to selecting if you need shuttle service or have your own ride. You can then select the date and see times available. You will then finish by confirming the appointment. When appointment is confirmed, you will get a notification reminder of your upcoming service appointment. Not only are you able to set in a service appointment, you can now see when your next service is due, all your service history, any upcoming and previous appointments. as well as choosing your preferred dealership and see all of their information from phone number, website, to amenities and hours.
Here is everything you're able to do with the digital wallet on the Toyota app, making it your one-stop shop for payments and much more. By clicking on the finance icon at the bottom of the app, you are able to link your Toyota Financial Services account with the Toyota app. You can add multiple bank accounts, view any previous transactions, have access to any lease or financing questions. The app will allow you to schedule one-time or recurring payments, You can also manage your payment methods for any of your vehicle subscriptions.
Getting roadside assistance has never been easier. You can connect with Toyota's roadside assistance with the click of a button.
By clicking the assist icon at the bottom of the app, you can find the phone number to roadside assistance. They're available 24/7 for you.
You can place a reservation to rent a Toyota right from the app, and we'll show you how.
First, select the Find icon at the bottom and select Rentals. Click Make a Reservation and choose your desired Toyota dealership. Navigate the calendar to the dates you need to rent a Toyota. After you select a pickup and drop-off time, it will then show you a list of the vehicles available to rent in your desired dates. You will also be able to see the vehicle details and rates. Once your vehicle of choice is selected, you can add your required information and insurance for a faster pickup. Select Confirmed and you have now scheduled a rental reservation. You are also able to see any active, upcoming, or past reservations on the app. Please note that you will still need to bring your physical documents and payment at the time of pickup.
With Guest Driver Monitor, you are able to create up to 5 profiles to share your vehicle with. This will allow you to share remote connect capabilities, be able to present and get notifications for the following conditions: speed limit, curfew, max miles driven limit, distance limit from set location, max time elapse limit, and receive notifications every time the vehicle is turned on.
You can now shop for genuine Toyota parts and accessories directly from the Toyota app. By clicking on the shop icon at the bottom, you will be directed to select Shop Now. You will then be able to select the year, model, and trim level of your vehicle. You will then be able to see all the accessories and parts available for your vehicle from the convenience of your phone.
The Toyota app makes it simple and easy for any EV customer to charge their vehicle, and here's how.
For owners of select EVs, the app will allow you to have access to over 30,000 charging locations. An active Remote Connect subscription is required for these features. To find stations, head to your app and select Find. Select stations and a list of stations will show up. You can see which station is available, pricing, and see charging levels. The app will allow you to send directions to your charging station directly to your vehicle's navigation system. You can easily set up payment by adding your card to the digital wallet. Once your card is set up on digital wallet, you'll be able to start charging your vehicle directly from the app.
Accessing your digital Glovebox is very simple. You can start by selecting the image of your vehicle, click on Glovebox, and now you have access to all of your vehicle specs, such as VIN number, body type, model, exterior color, interior color, and much more, as well as any standard equipment it originally came with. You will also be able to see all of your vehicle's capabilities and have access to your manuals and warranties, all digital.
You can now have access to the Toyota app on any smartwatch, allowing you to see your remote commands, be able to start your vehicle from the convenience of your watch. You can see the mile range and the tire pressure status and where you last parked your vehicle.
Thank you for watching our overview of the Toyota app. We sincerely hope that it makes it easier for you to navigate through the app. Now don't forget the description box at the bottom for our timestamp and frequently asked questions. Have a fantastic day.